friend Gord, who I work for a lot on his cars at Kid Equipment, he came by and he said, I got something really cool for you to put in your shop. He goes, one day, he goes, I'm going to put it in my man cave, but he says, right now I don't have a man cave, so what better place to display it than here in your shop at OTG, right? So this is quite crazy, this little unit. Now, this is a fiberglass body of a 59 Chevy Impala that a gentleman out in Surrey, I can't remember his name, he paints these with all this kind of metal flake striping. I mean, look at this. Look, he even goes to the trouble to put the water drops in it. Like, is that unbelievable? This little unit sells for $2,500. I'm not going to say what Gord paid for it. That's none of my business to say. But he bought it, and he brought it to me, and he said it needs to be displayed here. So I got to get cleaning up this office, and my plan is I'm going to build myself a nice, big, beautiful shelf right up there, and we're going to put her right up there. It's going to be a big shelf, but it's going to look good. But isn't that amazing? Look at that. That's just incredible. I mean, even the tail lights, you know, you get them in the right light, they even look like they're lighting up. I got to give a big shout out to Gord. I'm being serious, guys. If there's anybody here that needs a trailer, if you need these pop-up tent units, you know these new pop-up tent units you put on the back of vehicles, on trucks and that? Gord's the man to see. Kit Equipment. Call him up. He's got one on the island, one in Aldergrove, and one out here in Chilliwack. Kit Equipment is the place to be. That's just amazing. Man. All I need to do is put a set of pedals in there, lose around 30 pounds, plop my ass down in there, and start pedaling my way down to Duke's Pub. That's crazy. Anyway, thanks a lot, Gord, for letting me display this unit. And that's it. So remember, folks, always good time at old time, and we'll see you next time.